good? All right, so what time is it? Like 9 o'clock at night?
9 o'clock.
I've had a long day, and I'm here with my buddy to rekey his house.
Oh, man.
It's gonna cost you, man.
Your buddy?
It's gonna cost you. All right, so this is the beauty of Kwikset keys. Once you get them once, you can rekey it as many times as you want. So that's the beauty of it. So we're gonna put the original key in, turn it 90 degrees. And if I can see, there we go. There's the. So
Yeah.
once you put that in, hold on to that. New set of keys, and voila, that's it. Put your key in, see if it works.
Oh, this one's for, it has a different,
Put
this one?
Yeah, see if that works. Nope, no soup,
Oh my god.
and that's it.
That's crazy.
That's crazy.
Perfect, you're welcome. That'd be $75 monthly. All right, you good?